No one can imagine the size and problems of Kashmir. Yes, my lord. No one can estimate the troubles of people in Kashmir. Yes, my lord. No one, because we are just spectator. Spectator, we are so having nothing. Spectator, we are so having such a courage that we can do nothing. Spectator, we are not being dying in Kashmir. We are just spectator. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, a very good morning to all of you. Let me use few words to the heart-rising silence of Kashmir. Unkilling God is the band, merciless being in the bleed, ailing in the dark streets. Oh God, could anybody come forward and help me out? Sisters must have looked around, mothers must have led, as those and fathers must have they were out. A Kashmiri is battled that crippling and unkilling God, mercilessly. Kashmir is 70 years ago on that in the land is deserved me and Srinagar airport to occupy the Kashmir. Kashmir is famous for some beautiful and natural sceneries throughout the world. It is also known for agriculture profession. A profession due to word makes teaching a paradise. The abundance of natural beauty has formed the paradise. The pumping rivers and swarming garden make Kashmir a paradise. Is not a paradise anymore, but it's a hell that lives in the soul of its inheritance. I would like to end with this. बड़ी उदास है वादी गला दबाया हुआ है, बड़ी उदास है वादी गला दबाया हुआ है, ये सांस लेती है लेकिन ले ना सके. दरख्त उगते हैं यहाँ पर सोच सोच कर जैसे, दरख्त उगते हैं यहाँ पर सोच सोच कर जैसे, जो सर उठाएगा पहले वही कलम होगा. न मैं जन्नत की कोई तस्वीर हूँ, न बुजुर्गों के ख्वाबों की ताबीर हूँ, जिसको मिलकर सदियों से नोचा गया, मैं वो उजड़ी हुई एक जागीर हूँ. हाँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ, हाँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ. गुड बाय.